You capture my heart on this eve of day. With it swiftly flew away like a silent bird of prey. Now my captured heart is within your grasp only. Enclose me in feathered wings, don't leave me lonely. This complicated, with two hearts and soaring for blue skies we waited. Up and down, flights over valleys and hills, lovebirds' hearts to be renowned. Oh, to be renowned. We'll return to our love nest like that eve of the day. Two birds of a feather, my captive's heart here to stay.